Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off handoff on iPhone X. But first, can you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X for your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the General. Then in the General, find the AirPlay and handoff, then click. Then after that, in the AirPlay and handoff, find the handoff, and as you will see, there's a switch button on the right side of it. Then all you have to do is just click it to enable until it becomes green. When handoff is enabled, it lets you start something on the one device and instantly pick up on other devices using your iCloud account. The app you need appears in the app switcher in the dock on a Mac. And if you want to disable or turn off, just click again the switch button. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off handoff on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!